Welcome to our new series, Photoshop A to Z Full Guidelines. In this series, we're going to take you on a journey through the world of Photoshop. Whether you're new to the program or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn. We'll be covering everything from basic image editing to advanced photo manipulation and graphic design techniques. Photoshop is a powerful software tool used for image editing, graphic design, and digital art creation. It's widely used by photographers, graphic designers, artists, and many other creative professionals around the world. With its extensive set of features and tools, Photoshop has become an industry standard for image editing and design. When you first open Photoshop, the program may seem overwhelming with its various menus, panels, and tools. However, once you become familiar with the interface and basic features, you'll be able to navigate the program with ease. In this first episode, we'll start with the basics and give you an overview of the program. We'll also introduce you to some basic keyboard shortcuts to help you work more efficiently. Let's start with the basics. When you first open Photoshop, you'll see the interface consisting of several menus, panels, and tools. The main menu bar is located at the top of the screen and contains the various menus that you can use to access different features and functions of the program. The File menu is where you can create, open, and save new documents. The Edit menu contains functions for undo, redo, copy, paste, and other editing actions. The Image menu allows you to adjust the properties of your image, such as color, brightness, and contrast. The Layer menu contains functions for working with layers, which are an essential part of the program. Now let's move on to basic keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts are designed to save you time and make your workflow more efficient. Here are 10 basic keyboard shortcuts that every beginner should know. Ctrl+N, Windows, or Command+N, on Mac, to create a new document. Ctrl+O, Windows, or Command+O, on Mac, to open an existing document. Ctrl+S, Windows, or Command+S, on Mac, to save your document. Ctrl+Z, Windows, or Command+Z, on Mac, to undo your last action. Ctrl+Shift+Z, Windows, or Command+Shift+Z, on Mac, to redo your last action. Ctrl+A, Windows, or Command+A, on Mac, to select all. Ctrl+C, Windows, or Command+C, on Mac, to copy selected area. Ctrl+V, Windows, or Command+V, on Mac, to paste copied area. Ctrl+T, Windows, or Command+T, on Mac, to transform selected area. Spacebar, move around the image using the hand tool. By using these shortcuts, you'll be able to work faster and more efficiently in Photoshop. We'll be covering more advanced shortcuts and techniques in future episodes. That concludes our introduction to Photoshop and basic keyboard shortcuts. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into the File menu and show you how to create and save new documents. Stay tuned for more.